Okay, power on, LCD working, single, dual, every button is working. So we change to external and we give 220. We put our tester on COM. Okay, on. So when we start, the timer moves. Okay, when we stop, it stops. Reset again. Start. Stop. Okay, for the next test, aux contact. Okay, when we put and on, it doesn't link. It's linked over here. When we off, it doesn't link. It links here. Okay, for next we're gonna check voltage, DC voltage develop over here. Okay, for the starting, okay, when we turn, when we on, okay, as you can see, the voltage is developing. Develops until 220. Okay, voltage developing, decreasing the voltage, and it's decreasing.